Hey guys, this is Nancy and
Bonnie.
we are Teen Way City Devils with thescarefactor.com, and we are here at the Nightmare in Minooka, Illinois. This is a home hunt featured in Chicago Hunt Builders.
Good looking down, my friend.
Okay.
Hi! Today we're watching my favorite show ever. Do you want to know what it is?
What is it?
Duck and cover!
No.
Franklin.
No.
Oh yeah, that's Franklin.
It's Birds Turtle!
Yeah.
And it blows up! That's my favorite part, is it blowing up. Like my mommy. I blew my mommy up.
Why should you be so loud?
Do you want to see a picture? I have a picture of my mommy blowing up. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Everybody get close, get close, get close. Ah!
Oh.
I'm sorry, I can't help it. I really can't. That's why I blew my mommy up, because she always got mad at me for yelling. Ah! I can't help it. I swear. I'm not lying. I can't help it.
Next thing you scream, I'm gonna knock you out.
Should I scream again?
Yeah.
Scream, scream,
Do it,
scream,
do it, do it.
scream,
Yeah.
scream,
You right there.
scream, scream.
You right there.
Wherever you are.
I'm good.
Oh no!
What are you looking at?
You did her
No!
dirty while she was trying to scream.
Stop being so loud.
Oh no! Oh no!
Take my medication!
Sorry,
Don't play dumb with me!
we'll put it back. We'll put it back.
I can't believe it! Every time it rains, there's always another one! Another one! Now their faces melt up! It's just unfair! They don't get covered too! Hi! You're gonna meet my fiance, aren't you?
Oh.
His name is Frederick! Isn't he lovely?
Freddie,
hey.
congratulations!
He said I was crazy though, so you know, he ended up like this!
Oh no!
You know who else is crazy?
Who's that? Jim, I know that's true.
Everybody's
I know that's true.
It's okay to be a little cuckoo, you know?
Yeah, you need a little.
They're not cuckoo, they're okay, they're so nice. I love them. Come on in! Welcome to my gold factory! So we have, can I actually cake your hair? Look, she's kind of balding right now, and I really need it.
Yeah.
This she ever
She never shut up.
my ears are ringing.
What you doing
What
with
you got
that?
there, buddy?
Hi, Joey.
Joey?
Joey, wake up. Hey, that's like me at night.
He won't wake up.
Joey! Joey!
Joey!
Oh.
Oh man, you gotta put that back.
Oh, baby, I mean, he doesn't want to go back on. He doesn't want to go.
You got any gum?
Do you have any?
I spit it out.
Oh,
They told me
I
couldn't.
wish.
They told me I couldn't chew gum in
Why,
here.
why couldn't
It
you?
was on the rules.
Wait, is it on the rules?
It's on the rules.
What rule?
It said specifically Big Red, and that's what I had. Winter Fresh would have been okay.
What?
Yeah, Winter Fresh would have been okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't like mint.
Yeah, I do. You ever have mint chocolate chip?
It's horrible.
Really nasty.
It is,
You
right?
don't know what you're
Yeah,
talking
There you
about.
go.
Nasty.
Why don't you go play with Freddie?
Okay.
You know what
No,
you're
this
talking
is
about.
Joey, not Freddie. Get his name
Oh,
right.
Freddie is on the other.
Wait, where's Freddie?
He's hanging.
Where?
He's a fiance. The fiance.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we just finished going through the Nightmare, and to think that it's a garage is crazy. This is actually a super immersive haunt filled with actors, high detailed scenes, and this is their year where they revamped, and now they're doing a fallout bomb shelter. We barely made it out.
Will you?